the need arose for me to look up the SSID of our home router because someone in the home attempting to be sneaky and get internet factory reset the home router, which obviously dumped the new name of what our Wi-Fi SSID was. In order to recover the actual name of that SSID, I had to go into settings, then Wi-Fi. Now I didn't see that Wi-Fi address to begin with because it's no longer active. So how do you see the SSID, an SSID to which you have previously connected but are no longer able to see? Well, in Wi-Fi, scroll down to where it says Advanced, and it's as simple as that. Under Known Networks, you'll see all the prior SSIDs to which you have connected, but which are currently not visible to your laptop. And this is how I was able to get the correct spelling for our original SSID. And if you need to get the password for it, well, it's as easy as clicking on it and selecting copy password, and then you can paste it. So all that info, as long as you've done it once, you can go back and retrieve it.